In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in Adobe Acrobat 9 Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your PDF, reorganize its pages visually, and save your changes safely. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro. At the top left, click File, then Open, and choose the PDF you want to update. If you have multiple versions, pick the copy you intend to edit so you always have a backup handy. Next, open the workspace designed for page management. Click the Tools tab, then select Organize Pages. Acrobat will switch to a grid view where each page appears as a thumbnail with its page number. This view makes it easy to see the whole document at a glance. If the thumbnails look small, use the zoom control in this view to increase their size, which helps when you're moving several pages around. Now let's rearrange. Click once on the thumbnail of the page you want to move. Hold down your mouse button and drag it to the new location. As you drag, a visual indicator shows where the page will land. Release the mouse to drop it into place, and Acrobat will renumber pages automatically. Need to move more than one page? Select multiple thumbnails first. Use Shift-click to select a range, or Control-click on Windows or Command-click on Mac to select non-adjacent pages, then drag the group to the new position. If you change your mind, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo the last move. You can scroll to navigate long documents, and you can also use the page number readout to verify you've placed everything correctly. When the order looks right, save your work. Click File, then Save to overwrite the existing file. If you want to keep the original order for reference, choose Save As instead, and give the file a new name, for example by adding a short suffix like reordered or v2. Saving a copy is a good habit when you're reorganizing long or important documents. That's all you need to do. Open your PDF, go to Organize Pages, drag thumbnails into the order you want, and save. With this approach, you can tidy reports, assemble packets, or prepare presentations in just a few clicks. Pause and replay any section as needed, and take your time to confirm the final order before sending or sharing the file. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in Acrobat!